welcome to modeling graphic design. Modeling graphics. In this tutorial, you'll be learning what you are seeing on the screens, the designs. I will take you through this design process, and I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This channel is meant for beginners. If you're a beginner you're just starting your journey, you want to learn graphic design, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click the notification bell in order to see more video. I've uploaded all the materials I will be using in order to save our time. Okay, I'm going to take you through the journey, and all the materials will be linked in the descriptions. You can check it out. Okay, all right. Yeah, let's get started. Then let me hide the picture or the design, and let me bring up all the pictures. Okay, let's first of all work with the background. Tap on okay, color, then you go to gradients, then you go to tap on this. I have the color. Good. Then I think you are getting where I try. Valid code. Okay. 190. Yeah. Then you tap on this. Tap on the same thing we tapped before. The color code is going to be 975311. Then you tap on the blue check mark. Then you tap on OK. Okay. Then you shoot this. Shoot it a little bit. How to look at, yeah. Yeah. Let me show you. Tap on this second something on the top. Second gradient arrangement. Yeah. Then you tap front. You come here, then you tap on front. Depend on the way you import your picture shot. Okay, are you getting this? Yeah. Then pay rapid attention now. You go to draw. You increase the pencil. You increase the blur radius. You tap on the plus icon. You go to the first, that is the pick 2. Then you come down. Click on the there. Yeah. Then you tap on the screen, then you tap OK. And when you pop this, then you just continue to duplicate the text. You continue to duplicate the law something. Yeah, we are almost done. So yeah, let's lock it so that we can not, so that we will not touch it. You will not touch it, Joe. Then you bring this up, this one, then tap on front, sorry, back, this one, on front. Tap on front. You increase the size. Then tap on the check back, the back. Sorry, tap on the back. You reduce the size. Then you create a shape. Then you go to colored. Yeah, pick the color. Then you tap on OK. Press it. Just watch what. Then our design is pumping. Let's bring this to the front to look at what we have achieved so far. Then let's create this one. Let's create this kind of shape. In this tutorial, you will learn how to put picture inside a shape. Then you click on this shape. You give it a black color. You give it a black color. Tap on the black color. Then we are going to change the font to bold font, worksan bold. Okay. Let's reduce it a little bit. Then we are going to copy 2023. Shout out, happy birthday, davido. Then let's increase the size. I think 31 is okay. Yeah, let's look at let's move this forward and let's look at the tutorial. Let's look at it. Yeah, almost done. There was this celebration something. Let's go and import it from gallery. I'm going to look at it's under my download. It's my download. I'm going to pause the video to look for. Welcome back. Sorry for pausing the video. I have to do so because where I put the picture is very. There we increase the size to 100. Then we take it to the back. It's not our main focus. Let's reduce it a little bit. Back. Open up the showing this place. Let's erase it a little bit. Yeah. I think we are done with this tutorial. Let's look at it again. We are done. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and also click the notification bell. This channel is to help beginners graphic design on their journey, on their way to become a pro. Thank you as you are subscribing. We meet in the next tutorial.